All right, guys, here is a track preview of the 2021 Turkey Derby. Here we go, nice big hole shot, way different than the one years ago. Hit fourth gear on a 90. A little mild tabletop right into an option lane to split things up. Step on, step off, always a classic at all my events. I always have one of those. Double tabletop, always got to have one of those, 2 in a row. A little split lane here into a little double, into a 180. After this 180, you're going to come into a whoop section of 10 whoops. Every year it's been 8, I added 2 more, and it actually makes a big difference. You see me jumping through them on the 90. Now we're in the wood section, double lane, all through the woods, winds all over, really fun. It slows the track down, it gets tight, which is actually really cool. Up in this uphill, off camber, shoot back down, the drop, sweeper into a split lane. Here I'm taking the outside, wheeling through the whoops, double, kind of like a step up extension, double into the corner. Now coming into the finish line. So we got step down, step up again into a big bull turn. Now if you could see straight, we're back at that hole shot area and it connects in right there. And that is a full lap. That's 2 laps. They're pretty good.